I would even say the chicken balut, the soup is better too. The amniotic fluid. Here's the baby duck, the baby chick right here. The fetus. I'm gonna dip it into the sauce. It's like melting in your mouth. What's good, everyone? Today I am having some chicken balut. I got these in Chinatown, Manhattan at my secret Vietnamese supermarket, and you won't guess how much these cost. These are the cheapest I've found. They're 2 for $1 now. They used to be 3 for $1. I bought like 15 eggs. I'm eating 6 today just for dinner and do a quick mukbang. It's raining, so I'm not doing any vlogging today. For 15 eggs, I only spent $7.50. And chicken balut is different from duck balut. It's smaller. It's more easier to eat for those that are scared of like the hairy duck. I highly recommend chicken balut. I just made the Cambodian salt, pepper, lime sauce. Just lime juice, salt, and pepper, black pepper, that's it. That's how I grew up eating it, and I love the citrus taste. I know people like their gel som, people like their spicy fish sauce, Filipinos like their vinegar, but this is how I ate it as a kid, and I've been eating it this way. Some people question me like, why are you eating it with rice? I'm like, where I'm from, we turn everything to a meal, you know? We don't eat this as a snack. This is a meal because growing up poor, every protein that we had, it could be beef, it could be chicken, it could be pork, it could be eggs, it could be balut. We'll take a small bite of the protein and we'll have a big bowl of jasmine rice so we can just eat that and we can stretch out our meal and be satisfied. You know, we could curb our hunger for like 5-6 hours eating this way. I think because my parents they escaped the war and then they're forced to stretch out their food and stuff, whatever resources that they have, you know. Egg is smaller. I don't know if you can tell, but it's smaller. I cooked it in an Instant Pot. It only took 12 minutes on steam. I used steam. Cheers, y'all. You drink the soup. You crack the top, then you drink the soup. Yo, I would even say the chicken balut, the soup is better too. The amniotic fluid. Here's the baby chick right here. The fetus. I'm gonna dip it into the sauce. It's like melting in your mouth. Very good. I know this has been kind of a trending food on like TikTok and stuff. It's cool to see people try it and be open-minded and not like make hate comments towards it or whatever. But I just want to say that y'all eat ass, but you won't eat an egg? The yolk part is the most tastiest part. I feel like the balut is more delicious than a regular egg. I'm Cambodian. We call it bông tê con. That means, in this case, it's bông tê mon. That means a baby chicken egg. And this part is the white, egg white. And the texture is like an eraser. I call this the eraser. Has no taste. But I feel like this is where you get your nutrients from. Your protein. The chicken balut, it's half the size of a duck balut. I'd say the duck balut would be like this size right here. And the fetus is bigger, and sometimes you can see the hair. You can feel the beak, like it's a lot bigger and more developed, or it's probably not more developed, it's just bigger, more large. See it? I put the lime juice in there, then I sip. Yo, this tastes better than Campbell's soup. It's like soup already made. It's like chicken soup in its purest form, y'all. Chicken soup. I think I could eat more than 6 of these in one sitting because they're so small. I could probably eat all 15, but I'm not going to be greedy today. You know, with rice, with jasmine rice, it hit different. I don't know how some people don't eat this with rice. To me, I don't feel like it's an appetizer. It don't hit the same without the rice. If you eat it by itself, it'll leave you wanting more. Like you'll still feel hungry, you know? You have to go order a Big Mac to satisfy your appetite or something, you know what I mean? But the chicken balut, it's a lot easier to eat, a lot easier to peel. Even the eraser part is softer. The duck one is even harder to chew. It's more chewy, more rubbery. Leave me a comment, rep your city, let me know where you're watching from and how you found my channel, and I'll respond. Let me know if you guys would ever try balut with an open mind. To me, it's delicious. I know not everybody likes it, even from my community. Like the same with Filipinos, not all Filipinos eat it, but it's a case-by-case type thing. It's either you like it or you don't, but I love it. It's one of my favorite foods growing up. You know, whatever my dad ate, I ate. You know, my dad would eat some of the most exotic things, they eat a lot of organ meat, you know, like beef intestines, beef tripe, in stew form, in boiled form, and we would use a dip called pahok. I did a mukbang with steak and pahok recently. If you guys haven't seen that, go check that one out. I kid you not, guys. When I tell you this is delicious, it's delicious. You know, imagine like, this is like the escargot of eggs, you know? Or it's like the oyster. It's also, I heard it's an aphrodisiac. But by the time this video comes out, you'll know where I get this balut. And if you're in New York, go check it out. Go buy it for cheap. Because everywhere else is $2 an egg for the duck. This chicken, $2 for $1. Easier to eat, less scary to eat, you know, less intimidating. I encourage everyone to try at least once. All it is a partially incubated embryo from a chicken or a duck. The best part of it is the juice, the amniotic fluid, what we call the soup. Oh man, it tastes better than chicken soup. Also very nutritious. I'd rather eat balut than regular eggs. That's how much I like it. Let me know how you guys been doing. Shout out to all my Cambodians. Shout out to all my Lao people. Happy Thai Lao Cambodian New Year. Happy Burmese New Year. Happy Sri Lanka New Year. If you celebrate in April, Happy New Year. So today, Chanam Tamay from me to you. May this year bring peace, prosperity, and abundance, good health, and good balut. Good pong tia gold. And if you see me at any upcoming New Year events, say hello. Don't be scared. I'll say hi back. I think last year I was in Seattle. Some people will be like, they'll walk past me and then they'll DM me saying, I was too scared to say hi to you. I'm like, what? I don't even bite. I'm like the most approachable person, I think, you know? But I got love for everybody, man. I appreciate the support, especially from my Cambodian people. I'm also trying to go check out some Lao food while I'm in Seattle. So comment me some good Lao spots and some good Thai spots. I plan on checking some new Cambodian restaurants that just opened, so shout out to Seattle Cambodian community. I'm so happy to see more and more Cambodian restaurants pop up. I wish you guys nothing but luck, success, and I'll do whatever I can to support and spread the word because we gotta put our food on the map. Our food is super underrated, some of the best in the world. If you guys never had Cambodian food, what are you guys waiting for? Go find a Cambodian friend, fly to Long Beach, fly to Seattle. Look at that fetus. That's the head, y'all. Fly to Seattle, fly to Lowell. Get you some Cambodian food. Best food in the world. A lot of flavors. You get sour, you get sweet, you get savory, you get umami. We also have some good desserts too. Check us out. Watch YouTube videos. Watch Cambodian cooking tutorials. Watch people's TikToks. There's always people cooking, making food, grilling it up. They're using grill, they're making bahag. We even have like people from outside the culture making it for their Cambodian husband. Shout out to Hungry Housewife. She doing her thing. She killing it. She make bahag for her husband. I'm like, damn, he got it made. Here's what's up, y'all. All right, this is the last piece. I'm gonna eat the eraser and call it a day. Quick mukbang. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned for more videos. And please subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys on the next mukbang or Hella Hungry Food vlog. Peace out. Happy New Year.